Properly aligned headlamps are crucial for safe driving. Misaligned headlights reduce visibility and can blind oncoming drivers, increasing accident risk, especially at night. The Toyota Auris Hybrid, 2012 to 2020, relies on manual headlamp adjustments, so knowing how to adjust them is essential for maintaining optimal visibility. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver or flathead depending on your vehicle, a level surface, and a wall or screen to project the light. Park your Auris Hybrid on a level surface approximately 25 feet away from the wall. Ensure the car is directly perpendicular to the wall. To locate the adjustment screws on your Toyota Auris Hybrid, each headlight has 2 screws. The vertical screw is located on the top of the headlight housing and controls up and down adjustment. The horizontal screw is on the side and controls left and right adjustment. Here's a close-up showing the vertical adjustment screw on the top of the housing. This image demonstrates the horizontal adjustment screw located on the side of the housing. This diagram clearly labels the vertical adjuster and shows the adjustment points on the headlight assembly. To mark reference points, first turn on your Auris Hybrid's low beams to illuminate the wall. Next, on the wall, mark the center of each headlight beam with tape. Also, mark a horizontal line representing the height of the headlight bulbs from the ground. These marks serve as your reference points during adjustment. Adjust the vertical adjustment screws to raise or lower the headlight beams. The top of the most intense part of the beam should be at or slightly below the horizontal line you marked. This prevents blinding oncoming traffic while still providing good road illumination. Adjust the horizontal adjustment screws to center the beams horizontally. Each beam should be aligned with the vertical tape mark you made earlier. Make small adjustments and check the beam position frequently to avoid over-adjusting. After making the adjustments, test your Auris Hybrid's headlights on a dark road. Ensure the low beams provide adequate visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Fine-tune the adjustments as needed until you achieve optimal visibility and beam alignment. Consider having a professional check your work for accuracy. Safety and maintenance are essential for your Toyota Auris Hybrid's headlamp system. Regularly check the alignment, particularly after encountering potholes or bumps, as these can knock the beams out of position. Over time, road vibrations can cause gradual misalignment, reducing visibility and potentially creating hazards. Monitor for any changes in beam pattern. If you're not confident in adjusting the headlamps yourself, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic. They have the proper tools and expertise to ensure accurate alignment. Remember, properly aligned headlamps are a crucial safety feature that helps you see better while driving, reducing the risk of accidents in low light conditions.